Okay, we're gonna go to Home Depot now so we can grab some of the materials for the bed. Oh, when it's 100 degrees outside, it's really nice to be in air condition. So they only have these with one hook, and I'm looking for it with 2 hooks. So instead of going to Lowe's, I'm picking up these anchor shackles to put on this side. Now somebody used S hooks before, but the S hooks load limit is only 10 or 20 pounds, so they break really easily. So I'm going to use these ones. They're much sturdier. Look what we got. Lots of stuff. Okay, time to load up the car. Yay, it all fit for now. Let's go. I am not kidding, people. It is 112 degrees outside right now. Well, that was a quick trip because we forgot screws. So we're gonna go grab screws now. Haha, screws! Got them. Okay, so we've chosen a face up side. This is gonna be facing up, so we're gonna turn it that side up. We're just gonna line it up. Make it easy. And sometimes you forget that you need to charge your cordless drill. So yeah, that was all of 15 minutes of drilling. So we're gonna charge this up and try again later on. Time to add on the frame.